Good morning students. In this video we will see about artificial hybridization. Now what is this artificial hybridization and what is the need for it? Now generally plant breeders, they are in continuous requirement of getting the better varieties of the crops. So this artificial hybridization, it is one of the innovative technique in the crop improvement management. Now what happens in this artificial hybridization? Generally we want the desired characteristics in the plants or the flowers. So how this desired characteristics can be taken inside the flowers and the plants? So which are those techniques that are used in the artificial hybridization? Mostly there are two main techniques are there. One is the first one is known as emasculation and second one is known as bagging. Now, if the flowers are the bisexual flowers, means both male and the female flowers are present within the same plant, what happens? The female flower is present in the same plant only, but the male part, that is the anther part, before it dehisces, we have to remove it with the help of forceps, and we have to cover the stigma surface, that is the female part of the plant, with the proper bag. For example, butter paper can be used. Now why we are covering this stigma surface or the female? Because we have to prevent the stigma surface from the unwanted pollen or from the any of the dust particles or from any of the contamination, because we want that our stigma surface gets pollinated with the help of proper pollen. So this covering of the female part or the covering of the stigma surface is known as bagging technique. And first one, that is we have removed the anther part in the bud condition only. That removal of the anther part from the bisexual plant is known as emasculation. So in the bisexual flowers, both this technique is performed, that is emasculation and the bagging. Whereas on the other side, if the flowers are unisexual, unisexual means only one part or the one reproductive part is only present. So the female flowers here, they are been covered, and once the anther dehisces of the proper species of the plant, the pollen grains from that anther we are collecting and we are artificially just sprinkling on the stigma surface, and again we are rebagging the stigma surface. So in the unisexual flowers there is no need of emasculation, only bagging technique it is performed. So these two techniques favors the artificial hybridization, and by this the plant breeders and farmers also get the desired hybrids of the desired qualities.